Look at this, our generation ice cream truck. Whoa, it's an ice cream truck. Whoa. It has a really beautiful color. I could also put dolls in there. Wow, it looks very cool. It's our generation. Whoa, there's a lot of sweets in there. It has popsicle, ice cream. Oh, I really like the popsicle. It looks so delicious.
So beautiful.
Yeah. Whoa, look at the
Wow.
ice cream. It looks so real.
Looks so yummy.
And there's donuts and bagels and some cash.
Yeah, and some dollar bill.
And there's also napkins. Whoa.
So nice.
Yeah.
I love it.
Whoa, it's really beautiful.